Hey guys, check out SSF TV and subscribe for free. With your help, they have created a new platform designed by physicians for physicians. They have the most up-to-date content from the world's best physicians and top institutions. The platform is so well organized. And everyone is using it, giving you real-time access to physicians around the world. Plus, with the app, I can download and watch on the go. I absolutely love it.
So thank you so much for having me. We're going to talk about pain-centric ERAS, enhanced recovery protocols, and what we did at Cedars. So, full disclosure, I'm a millennial. This is an internet meme. These are the things that anesthesia tends to get blamed for, basically everything. But in this case, when we're talking about enhanced recovery, you guys may actually have a point. So it's extremely important to work on the perioperative pain management in spine surgery for many reasons. One, it has a direct impact on patients' length of stay, satisfaction, and problems, which we've talked about a lot already this weekend, complications, healthcare resources, and pain tends to be one of the hallmark symptoms of the disease processes that these patients are coming into the hospital to have surgery for. And it tends to be poorly controlled. That's why they're coming in to have their surgery. Historically, pain management has been surgeon-driven and surgeon-ordered, but there's been a real evolution in multidisciplinary care, in multimodal analgesia, tailoring specific pathways for specific phases of care, and then standardization of these pathways. So the idea of enhanced recovery is not new. Actually, it started in the 90s in Denmark when we talk about fast-track surgery, and the first real exciting outcomes came out of the colorectal literature, where they were able to decrease length of stay from 10 days to 2 days using very specific pathways in pre, intra, and postoperative care. And this was really exciting for everyone involved, surgeons, patients, payers. And if you look at, this comes out of JAMA, our European colleagues put together a really big ERAS society that came out from 2012 up until now, specific surgical subspecialty specific pathways for perioperative care in patients. And as of last week, spine surgery is still not on here. I think our hip and knee replacement colleagues are a little bit ahead of us on this, but clearly.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. To continue, please log in or create an account for free. Thank you for your support.